Hello everybody, this is now day 3 of Mama's stay here in the Philippines, and my mom, the first ball, so we just had brunch at the Pancake House, and right now we need to stop by the Globe Telecom store to get something fixed, and after that we're heading to BGC to check out our new apartment again, and meet up with Dad. So that's going to be the start of our day today. And Mama has some hardware around here. But it's okay. We love her anyway.
That's okay. That's like her normal.
Yeah, we're just all having a good time here.
Yeah.
So we just met up with Dad. Just got in his car, and right now we're going to go to a hardware store.
And I'm very happy.
And Mama here is very happy.
Absolutely, I'm just thrilled.
It's called Over the Moon, I suppose.
Right. And I feel dizzy, lightheaded.
Dizzy and lightheaded from overwhelming happiness being here with us.
Right.
So we're gonna go to a hardware store to get some provisions for the new apartment, and then we're going to see our new place in BGC.
It's just like a net, like a double ceiling. Looks so nice all the way from there. Oh my god. And so nice to look from here what you want.
Mama's easily impressed. Having a good time, Mom?
The store's so big. And everything you need to touch, everything.
Sitting on the grass.
Подожди, она try to...
So now we went from one hardware store right into another one. All those.
Yeah, this and what couple.
Getting some more tiles, but not these.
You can see gold, you can see gold in it. And what's this? Oh my god, it's so rich.
No, these are not the tiles we're getting though. These are the tiles we're getting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unfortunately, it turned out that my microphone was actually disconnected for this part here, but I was just showing a little bit of my new apartment and a little preview of what it's going to be like with the work in progress of the backsplash in the kitchen, these awesome lights over here. This is actually my wife's design, so she's the brilliant architect actually of this whole setup over here. These mirrors on the wall here are also a really nice touch that she came up with. It's also something that really helps make the whole place look a lot bigger and more alive with light. The paint color on the wall is also another good choice. It works really well with some of our furniture that we have here now. And then also the paint job in the bedroom also came out to be really good. It's kind of a unique color, but I'm really happy with this choice. It's a very warm, cozy feeling to be in there. Yeah, so even though the original recording hasn't been saved, but this is pretty much what I was talking about when I was showing a tour of the apartment, so I guess you haven't really missed out on much of anything anyway. So after spending some time at the new apartment, we went to the furniture stores to look for some furniture pieces, couch and maybe some other items.
Yeah.
So we see the same things that we saw online, because we've been doing a lot of shopping around, and we still have to fill up with the space over there. But the options here are not that great. It's a smaller store than we anticipated. Well, after being slightly disappointed in the furniture store since we couldn't find what we were looking for, we went to Kaya, the Korean barbecue grill, and wow, the table is full. Look at this. Damn, the salad looks beautiful. And here's the spicy chicken. I'm so hungry. I only had breakfast or brunch in the morning. It's already pretty late, so definitely more than, well, it's definitely time to eat now. So we finished having dinner at the Korean place, and after a quick rainy drive back home, we're here at the Chroma Tower. So it was great hanging out with the family again, as always, and we'll meet up again soon.
Good dinner.
All right, and this is where I'm going to close out for tonight.